Hi guys, it's Ines. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. Every time you open up Ines' chest, you're gonna find either a potion, a trinket, or random magic. Trinkets are all the beautiful things that I would like to share with everybody. Potions are the white sands from the White Sands National Monument, all the way from New Mexico. Potions are tips, reviews, and tutorials that might be helpful to you. For example, I have a lot of jewelry making tutorials that you can learn to make jewelries for yourself. And by the way, all the jewelries I wear in my video are all made by myself. And random magics are just random topics that I decide to talk about. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love you to join the YouTube family and hit the subscribe button down below under this video, and hit the bell button as well so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload new video every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!